Want to fly first class for free? Use Amex points. Here's how in 60 seconds. Amex membership rewards are transferable points you earn on cards like Platinum. Transfer partners include Air France KLM Flying Blue, Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer, and ANA Mileage Club. Award charts matter. Transatlantic First often starts around 70 to 80,000 points one way. Trans-Pacific First award ranges can be 110 to 150,000 points depending on partner. Quick tip: book Saver Awards and consider one-way bookings to reduce points needed. Step 1. Get an eligible Amex card and reach the welcome bonus. Step 2. Search partner award space online, looking for Saver or award seats. Step 3. Transfer points to the airline partner, then complete the booking. If inventory is missing, call the airline after transferring points to ticket manually. Use tools like Expert Flyer, award calendars, and set alerts for seats. Ready to fly first class? Sign up for Amex offers. Earn the bonus, transfer points, and click the link now.